just a quick video about Android Auto. So as you probably know, it works with auxiliary adapter. So either you have an additional auxiliary input added to the box, or you use the auxiliary input that was already in your car. I don't know how it is in the first case, but when you have auxiliary input in your car already, you can go to menu and use the first option. I have that in Polish, but it will be something like auxiliary input volume. Tuning it up will simply make the sound of Android Auto louder. There is a drawback, because Android Auto makes the quality of sound a bit worse, so using the higher volume will simply make this worse audio even more significant. But well, in my opinion, it's better to have the similar volume between the original system and Android system than it was with this setting, so at default. So I've set it like that, and it seems fine to me.